I'm so excited to show you this full arch brush, the Samba, that does remove biofilm because it has mechanical movements. It doesn't just buzz in the patient's mouth. So here's the before, and as you can see, there's a moderate amount of biofilm, about 80% on the plaque index. First, place 3 small smears of toothpaste on the left, right, and front. And the flexible full arch brush head fits in the mouth with adult dentition and works for 30 seconds. With traditional toothbrushing, each tooth is only given a few seconds. But with the Samba, each tooth is getting softly brushed for 30 seconds. It is very important to keep the tray pressed up so that it can access the gingival margin, which is of course the most important area. That's why the first layer of the bristle is angled at a 45-degree angle to access that margin. Also, the bristles are grouped into these 1.8 millimeter wide columns, and that way they can reach interproximally better. The patient can rest the teeth against the tray. Don't bite, just rest slightly to keep it in the right position. This allows the bristles on the bottom of the tray to work on the occlusal surfaces as well. On this next round on the mandible, I want to point out the robotic arms that move. This is where the real biofilm removal comes into play. This simulates movements that your hands can't make, shifting the bristles back and forth without shaking the whole head. Developers of the brush know that just a simple vibration of the whole tray does not work, so this mechanical action is really the key to that good, clean feeling. This large handle is also ergonomic. You can hold it one or two-handed, and it's waterproof. So once charged, you can even brush in the shower. So who are we really recommending this to? All patients, anyone who has a hard time with biofilm removal. So at the 60-second total completion of the brush, let's look at the post-biofilm numbers up close. As patients learn to use the brush, I always recommend having them disclosed to be sure that they learn to access all the areas that are needed. They will still need to do in-between cleaning of the last bits of debris interproximally. So as you can see, the Samba is a full arch brush that works.